In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search keywords in Semrush. Whether you're a seasoned digital marketer or just starting out, understanding how to effectively use Semrush can give your website a significant boost in search rankings and visibility. So, let's dive right in and walk through this step by step. First things first, open your browser and type Semrush into the search bar. Once you've found the official Semrush website, click the link to enter the site. Now, if you already have an account, go ahead and log in using your credentials. But if you're new to this tool, you'll need to sign up. Signing up is straightforward and requires some basic information. Just follow the on-screen instructions, and soon enough, you'll be all set to explore the powerful features Semrush offers. Now that you're in, let's get started with the Keyword Magic tool. This is perhaps one of Semrush's most popular features, and for good reason. Begin by entering a broad keyword that is relevant to your niche or industry. Think about what terms your target audience might use to find businesses like yours. Once you've entered your primary keyword, the Keyword Magic tool goes to work. It will generate an extensive list of related keywords. But that's not all. Along with these keywords, you'll also see crucial metrics such as search volume, keyword difficulty, and search intent. These metrics are vital in understanding not just how popular a keyword is, but also how competitive it might be to rank for it. To make the most of the information in front of you, use the filters available in Semrush to narrow down the list. You can adjust the filters according to keyword difficulty, search volume, and other factors. This helps you pinpoint keywords that aren't just relevant, but also strategically beneficial for your content or advertising campaigns. As you browse through the keyword options, pay special attention to keywords with a lower keyword difficulty score. These are generally easier to rank for, making them great targets if you're just starting out or trying to break into a new niche. Low difficulty keywords usually mean there's less competition from other websites, and they could offer quicker SEO wins. Finally, remember that finding the right keywords isn't just about volume, but about strategic fit for your specific goals. Once you've identified keywords that align with your strategy, you can start crafting content or ad campaigns around them to improve your search engine performance and grow your online presence effectively. There you have it, a simple yet detailed guide to searching keywords in Semrush. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're now ready to dig into Semrush yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on leveraging digital tools to enhance your online marketing strategy.